Farsh.
Hello.
I'm so happy to have you with me today.
Me too.
Yay! Wow. I hope this interview with you is going to be useful not only for you but also for the viewers.
Yes,
Yeah.
I hope so.
So the theme for this month is bartering, with the intention that teenagers and children like you can understand how bartering can be useful not only to save money but for many other things. Right?
Okay.
So when did you first hear about bartering?
Number one. People hear bartering in history classes. Because yes.
Do you think most teenagers also would be aware of what bartering is?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Is bartering sometimes also seen around even now, or is it still there in the book itself?
I don't know if it is seen or no, but I have a feeling that people also do it. I have not seen bartering being done, or if I have seen, I don't remember. But I think bartering is still going on in the world.
Okay, now that you are saying, see one of the videos of a particular trust which bartered education for the children for an exchange of vegetables and fruits for the teachers
Instead of money.
instead of giving them money. Because what do they do anyway with the money? They are going to go buy fruits and vegetables, which the parents are giving them and the teachers are giving them education. Smart. Okay, so yes, I agree that bartering is still practiced in many places, especially for people who do not have money to give in exchange.
Yes.
Will you agree? And that kind of also matches with your requirement because you are a teenager, you don't have as much money to, at your expense. But there could be things that you may require to buy and, probably have, and, parents can say, hey, you already got so much, this and that. You can have that sort of a thing. Maybe your pocket money does not match up to things that you want to buy now.
Yes.
Do you think bartering can be a good tool there for you?
Yes.
Yes. So, in today's interview with you, I want to just discuss about the advantages that you feel are present for bartering.
Advantages. You obtain skills by doing bartering that you cannot obtain these skills by doing anything else. So basically, bartering teaches you skills. Some skills
Okay.
like how to maintain things. I mean, I know that there are many other things that can teach you, but bartering is a good way of learning how to maintain things. I mean, someone is definitely not going to take a torn t-shirt.
Okay.
So if it is well maintained, then there is also a skill. Second,
Wait, let me see if I have understood you properly. So you're trying to say, because you know that certain things that you have which you can barter,
yes,
you will take a good care of it.
yes,
So for example, if I have this wheel
yes,
and I know that after I'm done playing with it,
yes,
if I want to barter,
yes,
I should also give it in a good condition because I will want something back in a good
yes,
condition.
definitely.
So then I actually learn to take a better care of it. Whereas if I knew that this is going to go from here to the dustbin, then I'm like,
Yes.
oh my. Right. So you are basically taking care of your
Utilizing.
resources. Taking care of your resources. Wow. That's a good point.
Number two. So the second point is making people fall for the item.
Making people fall for the
No,
item.
like they desperately want the item.
Desperately want the item.
So there might be people also who don't feel interested in the item, but the way you express the item, the way you describe the item, how fun it is, that can also make people desperately want it. Just like whatever happens, I'm going to take it. You take anything from me, just give me the game.
Oh my god. So you're basically
And that comes a lot in handy if you become a entrepreneur.
So, but one additional thing you should have is trust in what you are giving also.
Yes.
Yes. If you are a good salesperson, then you can hook up for so you can say, this is a windmill.
Yes, yes, yes.
And it is actually going to generate windmill.
Yes, yes, yes.
And it is actually going to generate electricity. And if somebody is a good salesperson, can maybe lure a person into it, but that is not what you are advising.
No, I am telling you that the trust and also the expression and the advantages, the fun that you get by playing this game.
Right, I see. So you are saying in the whole scenario of bartering, you are learning the art of selling your product, or getting the other person to like your product.
Yes.
Wow, okay. Marketing is what you are learning. What else?
Third is, I feel, save money.
Advantages of bartering is to save money. Okay?
Okay, and how can I express this is that you desperately want the item, you're searching for the item by not buying it, by just trying to do the barter. Until you get to a point where 100% or 99.99% you cannot get the item, or maybe in a good condition or whatever, that is when you buy it. Because in the middle, even if you get a chance to buy the item, if you get a chance to buy the item, then it is definitely better to barter it.
Right.
Okay, so that also saves money.
Mhm.
Okay, you also learn skills.
Mhm.
Third point, you also save the environment.
Save the environment.
So the fourth point,
Wait. We'll talk about save the environment. First, let's see save money, bartering, and saving money. If you could explain a little more in depth.
okay, I give you a windmill and you give me this pen.
Mhm.
Okay. This windmill, you cannot find it anywhere. You are searching for this windmill forever. Okay.
Okay.
Once, and then one day you come with me and I have the windmill and I don't want it anymore and I want this pen. So if we barter it, I mean, if this thing is red, of course it is going to be more costly. So instead of just buying it, you can just exchange it with someone.
Mhm.
You can save money. Even I want the pen, save the money. Instead of just give him something which I don't want anymore.
Right. So basically, will it be correct to say one man's trash is another man's treasure? Yes? Wow, that's a good idea. So I get what I want, but I also do not have to pay anything for that. Yes, I may require to wait, I may require to use negotiation, but I might as well do it because I cannot buy it anyway.
Definitely.
Yep. Okay. That's a good one. I like that. So you are saying that you learn to maintain or utilize your resources in a better way if you know that you are able to barter.
Yes.
You are learning some marketing skills like even negotiation and selling and all of that. You are saving money. And you also mentioned something about saving environment.
Yes. So if every person tries their best to barter,
Mhm.
then the production of the item reduces.
Right.
Which basically, I mean, everything that we humans want out of the nature. I mean, plants. We want nature. This paper is coming from the trees. So instead of just buying a new one, if you change it, then the production of one windmill decreases. So if everyone does this, basically the production decreases,
Mhm.
and after this, if you throw it away, it's basically a waste. So the waste will also decrease. So basically, all this, global warming, air pollution, water pollution, all these things which are happening will eventually come down.
So bartering for saving money, bartering for saving environment.
Yes.
Bartering for learning a skill which you may probably not never learn. Wow. So now that you have told so many advantages of bartering, do you think you can or will want to give it a try if you haven't yet tried bartering?
Yes, I can give it a try. I'm not trying marketing at all, but I can give it a try. Okay. And I would also want you guys to please give it a try. If it is successful, then good. If it's not a success, then please keep trying. Because first of all, you will learn skills.
Yeah.
You will take responsibilities. You will save money, and most important thing, you will save environment. If you don't get any of these three, your life is not going to get ruined. But if the nature is not there, basically what happens is that we're extinct. If there's no nature, we are also not there. We are basically nature.
Wow.
So bartering is also a way to save the nature. And nowadays there are many programs that people are trying on, reducing global warming, pollution, and all that. And I think that they should also add bartering in it. Because it might not seem directly that it is saving the nature, but indirectly every single action done by human being is either saving it or destroying it.
Okay. Wow. That's quite impressive. So thank you so much, Sparsh, for taking your time to talk with me and inspiring your friends to also barter. And I will see you soon.
Yes.
Right. Bye.